Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all my paper squishies part 1. So please give a like and subscribe to know my press, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. So the first one I'm going to show you is I just made this one. It's my Hello Kitty coloring book and I love it so much. I made this one out of a bag. This one's so cute. So I'm just going to leave that one there. The next one is that I got this Nutella. Next I have this pizza and it's in a bag. Next I have a popsicle that I probably showed in yesterday's video, but I'm not too sure. Next I have this M&M cookie. So soft. Hold up, I forgot a squishy. Okay, so this was the squishy that I just forgot. It's this jumbo ice cream squishy. I love it so much. I have a pillow series, so I'm just gonna take all my pillows. Well, did I put a pillow in here? No, I didn't. So it's over here. I'm missing this one. So I have this pillow. She looks like Harley Quinn a little bit because of the evil eyes. Here's Mr. Sleepy. I named it. Next, I have this one. It's Cutie, and this one's Faith. Next, I have a chip series. So I have all these chips right here. I was running out of time, so I just spelled nachos the way I wanted to. Next, I have this sour cream and onion chips. So squishy and so rising. Next, I have these chips that are Cheetos crunchy. And last but not least, I have classic Lay's chips. Then I have a cloud that I just made, like today, but not like right now. I have this frozen yogurt. I have this Pop-Tart I made out of like fabric, not fabric, but I made out of stuffing with my sewing machine. I have a s'mores. Last but not least, I have a strawberry. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!